Hey all, what I'm going to show you today that what is custom inventory in Ansible. So you might know that Ansible is a configuration management tool. Ansible is used for configuring servers. So we do have, suppose here, a controller server, which is an Ansible controller server, and there are multiple worker machines where Ansible is going to configure. Okay, like there are two groups which we have created. ABC is one group where we have ABC1 and ABC2 server as part of it. XYZ is another group where we have XYZ1 and XYZ2 is part of it. Okay, so what I'm saying you, if I explain in diagram, that there is a controller, Ansible controller, which is going to configure this group of servers, which is the ABC group of servers, where we have two servers. Okay, so this group will be maintained in the inventory file. So there are two kind of inventory file in a controller we can maintain. One is um, the seeded inventory, which is called as host file, and another one is which we can create a custom inventory. We can give it any name. Okay, so let us see this particular part and just focus on this part, and then I can show you, I can explain you this particular diagram further in our next session. Okay, so so this is my Ansible home, etc in Ansible. Here we have a host file, which is this. Okay, this host file is, when you install Ansible, this host file will be automatically coming, and this is your seeded inventory. Okay, so by default, if you type Ansible -m ping, suppose you type ABC, enter, so it is going to see this particular group. Okay, so ABC here is a group of servers which should be present. It is going to search this particular inventory in this host file. Okay, now what we will do, we have two options. Either you create this ABC group here in this host file. So if you open the host file, you will see that there are web server is a group. So you can similarly create an ABC group here below. Okay, like type ABC, and then you can give server list. This is one way. What is the other way, which we generally use in company? We create our custom host file, the inventory file. We call it as ini. We can give any extension, but we give, as practice, we give .ini file. So abc.ini, if you go and cat the abc.ini, you see here I have mentioned abc-servers, which is nothing but my group of server, which is having two servers. Okay, which I have here. You see ABC1 is having a private IP ending with 169. You see here 169. And then ABC2 server, if I select this one, this is having 118. You see 118. So we can group it any name. So if you can open this file and just type here O, which is like next line insert, type ABC, and then give this to entry. Okay. Now colon WQ exclamation means save the file. And then if you run this command, okay, you see now this ABC still it will be failing. Why? Because it is going to search in the default file, which is host file. But then if you want to give Ansible, when you want to run a command, Ansible command, and you want to give that custom inventory, then give -i this thing, the inventory file name. And then you will see that this will work. Correct? This will work. You see, ping pong is working fine for you. So this is what I wanted to explain you, that, okay, what is inventory file in this particular video. Next section, next we will learn, right? So this is one way to do, and then next we will see what are roles, okay, how to create roles in Ansible. How can you create playbooks which will call a role? How can you call inside a role, there are multiple files inside the roles. Okay, like how to create custom role, and then what are the inside role, what are these folders, like default, meta, test, var, files, all these folders. What is the importance of these folders? Okay, we need to understand that. What is the main file when you run a role? What is the main file which will be calling initially? The first call will happen to which particular file? Okay, so when you call a role, which file will be read for the first time? That's what I'm saying. So we will see those things in our next section. So please subscribe to our channel, and give a thumbs up if you like the class. Thank you. Bye.